Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So we are heading today to KUDLU THEERTHA falls. It's April actually, so it's summer. The chance of the waterfall having water is very less, but we are going there anyway, and we'll revisit again in monsoon.
Nothing.
Okay, so we've reached KUDLU THEERTHA falls. You lose the internet connection in between, so just rely on the satellite GPS. Just follow the GPS route, don't worry about it. So this is the start checkpoint from where no plastic items are allowed to be carried. This is done to avoid littering along the route or at the falls. You'll be given a charged receipt for your plastic water bottle or eateries, and you'll have to return the receipt along with the plastic item to get a refund. Okay, the trail starts from here. I was wondering why there was no drone shots of the KUDLU THEERTHA falls, and as it turns out, drones aren't allowed from the checkpoint, and I've kept the drone inside the car's trunk. My only worry is if it gets hot. At this point, I realized that trekking and doing a video with gimbal wasn't possible, so I decided to ditch the gimbal. Being a travel filmmaker is not easy. You have to carry all this camera gear and then hike up the mountain as well. Whew. But usually all this suffering will be worth it in the end. That's what makes this so rewarding. I think we are getting closer to the waterfall because temperature is falling down as we get closer. So some relief. So what I'm trying to do here is get a long exposure shot of this waterfall. I want the flow of the water to be highlighted. This I'll use the long exposure method. So the way I'm composing is that the water comes from there and it's flowing through all these channels, and this is where it's the most turbulent. So it's sort of like an S curve. It's coming like an S curve. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. So I'll take the shot, and if it comes out any good, this is how it looks. What I like about this image is that it looks prehistoric. It almost looks like it came from the Lord of the Rings. And I feel like putting some Lord of the Rings character onto this photo. So for the next shot, I actually want to capture this interesting pattern happening in the mountain. And the light is actually falling in this place. So it's almost like an asymmetrical light and dark sort of shot. So if this shot turns out any good, here's how it looks like. Not the best in terms of composition, but I absolutely love the gnarly trees on the left and the jagged rocks on the right. This capture is purely based on texture. So we're done with the visit. Hopefully you liked all the photos and videos. It's a shame that they didn't let us use the drone, because this would have been an even more epic shot. So this place is actually a photographer's heaven. My cousin is also a photographer. He worked in the film industry. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to the channel, leave a like, post a comment about which part of the video you liked the most, recommend it to your friends, and do visit KUDLU Theertha Falls. It's an amazing place. Why am I telling it again? You've already seen it.